If you've ever worried about accidental purchases on Epic Games or you just want a little extra control over your account, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to set a PIN for Epic Games purchases in just a few quick steps. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference if you want to protect your account, prevent unauthorized spending, or keep your gaming purchases more secure. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your Epic Games account. You can do this from your browser by going to the Epic Games website and logging in with the account you want to protect. Once you're signed in, look for Account Settings. This is where Epic keeps the important account options, including security and parental control features. Click into Account Settings to continue. After that, on the left side of the menu, select Parental Controls. Don't worry, this isn't just for child accounts. Epic uses this section for several privacy and purchase protection options, including the PIN setting we need. Once you open Parental Controls, you'll be prompted to create a 6-digit PIN. Go ahead and enter a PIN that you'll remember, but make sure it's something that others won't easily guess. This PIN is what you'll use whenever Epic asks for confirmation on restricted actions. After entering the PIN, look under the General section. Here, you'll see a setting called Always Require a PIN for purchases using Epic Games Payment Service. Turn this option on. Once it's enabled, Epic Games will require your PIN whenever a purchase is made using its payment service, which helps prevent unwanted or accidental buying. Take a moment to double check that the setting is saved and active. That way you know your purchase protection is fully turned on. And that's it. You've now set a PIN for Epic Games purchases. From now on, your account will have an extra layer of protection whenever someone tries to make a purchase through Epic Games Payment Service. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.